Do you ever feel like your paycheck vanishes before the month is even over? You aren't alone. Today, we are going to fix that.
Welcome to Master Your Money, your practical, step-by-step guide to taking back control of your finances. We're going to break this down into a manageable 4-week roadmap. We won't try to do everything in one day. Week 1 is about auditing. Week 2 is structuring with the 50-30-20 rule. Week 3 is about cutting costs. And finally, Week 4 is where we automate everything so you never have to worry again.
Let's start with Week 1. The audit.
You cannot manage what you do not measure.
This step might feel brutal, but it's necessary. I want you to gather your last 3 months of bank statements. Don't just guess, track every single expense and categorize them into essential versus non-essential to see exactly where you stand. Once you audit, you'll likely see a breakdown like this.
Typically, housing and food eat up the bulk of your income, but look closely at categories like entertainment or dining. If these bars are higher than you expected, that is exactly where we are going to find your extra savings. Now that we know the numbers, let's fix them in Week 2 using the 50-30-20 rule.
This is the gold standard for budgeting.
The goal is to split your income into 3 buckets: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. First, your needs.
These are the expenses you literally cannot avoid. They are essential for survival.
We are talking about your rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, and insurance.
If these total more than 50% of your income, we need to look at ways to downsize or increase income.
Next is the fun part, your wants.
This is discretionary spending that improves your quality of life, but isn't strictly necessary. Think dining out, hobbies, travel, and entertainment. You can spend money here, but try to cap it at 30% so you don't rob your future self.
And here is the most important slice, the final 20%.
This should strictly go to savings and debt repayment.
If you can get your budget to look like this chart, you are on the path to financial freedom. In Week 3, we cut costs without the pain.
First, audit your subscriptions. Cancel anything you haven't used in 30 days.
Second, cook at home. Meal prepping can save the average person over $200 a month. And finally, switch to generic brands for pantry staples.
The quality is usually identical, but the price is much lower.
Finally, Week 4, automating. Listen, willpower is a finite resource.
Don't rely on it. Make savings the default option.
Set up auto transfers on payday so the money leaves your checking account before you can spend it. Use round-up apps for spare change. And if you get a raise, divert it directly to your 401,000 or investment account.
So, let's recap your mission.
Number 1.
Audit. Track every penny to find leaks. Number 2.
Balance. Apply the 50-30-20 framework.
Number 3.
Cut. Reduce non-essential spending painlessly.
Number 4. Automate. Remove emotion from the process completely. Thanks for watching.
If you follow these for weeks, you will master your money. If you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more financial guides.
See you in the next video.